I mean, first of all, I mean, it's a remarkable result. Don't forget, I'm really celebrating myself after 10 years, an additional 25% last year. Fantastic result. Testament due to our excellent workforce worldwide, 2,000 people working for that great company. And for that reason, I'm really proud. Coming to your question, of course, I mean, more volume in the first instance might be seen as detrimental towards exclusivity. Rest assured that I understand a bit what that business is all about after 10 years, and I will make sure that this balance between volume on the one side, profitability on the other side, but also very important for our clients, exclusivity will be maintained. No worries about that.
Tell me about margin. I'm a great believer that you can sell any number of anything at any price if you get it down low enough. But of course, price is key for you. Just like Hermes or LVMH, you manage to keep your price at a higher level to keep that exclusivity. But how are your margins looking on the current sales roster?
I mean, we are not talking any business numbers here, but rest assured that our margins are very healthy. We are making quite a substantial contribution to the overall BMW Group profit line. So for that reason, I think our business is healthy. And it needs to be healthy because I also need to earn money to invest into future product and so on and so forth. For that reason, I can't agree more what you said a minute ago, that the price strategy is fundamentally important. And one criteria, for instance, is that we will never offer any car or product below our current existing price range. So we are not lowering prices just for the sake of pure volume. That's not Rolls-Royce. We are in the high-end exclusivity business. We are luxury goods, probably not cars, really. Our clients see us as luxury goods, and it is to be maintained like that.
Torsten, I know a lot of the cars are sold outside of the UK, clearly, but we are now being lined up for a fresh budget in March here in the UK, and apparently we have a little more clarity now as far as this government's ability to negotiate the Brexit story. Do you think there is an opportunity for this economy to rebound and provide more sales for Rolls-Royce going forward?
I mean, first of all, we had a good year also in 2019 in our home market, the UK. Number two is I definitely agree with that statement. I think election removed some portion of uncertainty. I think now Brexit needs to be done, to say it like that, and very important, we need proper long-lasting trade relations, not only with the European Union, but with the rest of the world. If that happens, I'm pretty sure that the whole economy here will recover and that we will see also quite some surge in our business here in the UK.
I do wonder if you need to have a quick word with Phil Hogan, the European Trade Commissioner, who I read in the Irish Independent says the UK is trading a Rolls-Royce for a saloon. Well, he's taken your company's name in vain, but he is suggesting that the UK will probably not get a good trade deal with the EU if they continue down the course that Boris Johnson is heading in. I wonder if you'd care to comment on that. Do you think there is still a risk here of a bad Brexit?
I mean, first of all, first time that I hear that, I must say, funny comment, because Rolls-Royce is not at all in any trading business. We are not in the car business at all. So for that reason, I think that whole comparison is in itself pretty wrong. And allow me not to comment on these kind of arguments. You've heard my arguments around what is needed now for that country, Brexit to be done and trade relations to be forged. So for that reason, let's look forward. And let's look forward in a very optimistic way. That's my attitude, and I think we will get it done.
Torsten, I want to just take you to car trends, because the announcement around the SUV is very much a state of play for the auto companies coming up with SUVs, a very popular category. What I had expected from most automakers was more pomp and ceremony around the unveiling of self-driving and autonomous electric connected vehicles. That's not what we're hearing necessarily from your company. Why are you not going forward with some of these trends as much as we could hope?
No, first of all, I've said it already last year, that in this decade Rolls-Royce will go electric. That's decided. It will come, and it is not a kind of black and white transition from combustion into electric. It is what I would call a smooth transition from combustion engine into electric. That's already a strategy. We are working on it and it will be executed, rest assured. So long-term Rolls-Royce will become a pure electric propelled brand. That's clearly our conviction.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.